Today's video features a product that is a Dyson alternative hair straightener. Dyson has two hair straightener options. They have the Air Straight, which can be used on both dry and wet hair. And they also have the Corral hair straightener, which can only be used on dry hair. Both of the Dyson products retail for $499 a piece, making them quite expensive. Today's product is 16% of the Dyson purchase price, making it a great deal. Here we have the Ionic hair straightener brush from the brand Micro Pure. This is available on Amazon. This brush promises to fast brush your hair straight, so let's go and see. There are 3 buttons. The most bottom one is the power button. So this brush heats up within 60 seconds. So I haven't yet styled my hair. I've air dried it from last night, but I just want to make it a little bit more sleek, so I'm going to demonstrate what it's like with the brush. So as you can see, the temperature is increasing pretty fast. There are 16 temperature settings, great for all sorts of hair. So this brush heats up to a standard setting of 360, which is not the max, but I don't need it that hot for my hair. I'm going to start at the temperature setting of 300. So this brush has ceramic plates, and this is how wide it is, about 2 inches. This brush has 16 temperature settings, making it versatile for all sorts of hair. So this is what my hair looks like before using the hair straightener brush. As I'm running the brush through my hair, I'm just pulling it slightly to create some tension, creating a more sleek style. My hair is quite fine. I think this brush would work great on thicker types of hair. So I want a little bit of height on the crown. I don't want it so flat, so I'm gonna just do this. So I'm just running the brush under my crown to give it some lift. So I did just about 10 to 15 passes on my hair. This is what it looks like so far. So this is the after result of my hair. It is nice and sleek and shiny. That took literally minutes to do. I went over my hair in roughly 10 to 15 passes of using this hair straightener brush. I like that it didn't pull on my hair as it was passing through, as the ceramic plates are wide enough to not do that. I would say there is no learning curve to using this hair straightener brush. It is very easy to use. Included with this product is a heat protective glove, which I didn't find myself needing to use. I like that this hair straightener has 16 temperature settings. It doesn't feel damaging to the hair or overly hot to use. The materials on this are also comparable to some more high-end hair straighteners. Now for some potential downsides to this product. I wish there was a way that they could have incorporated bristles into this brush, because bristles would give you more of a blow-dried look. However, the ceramic plates will be very easy to keep clean. You just have to wipe it and you're good. Anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.